new video. Today we're in Himeji and then we're going to Kobe. For some reason I look a bit tanned, I don't know why. So we've just taken the train. We didn't take the bullet train, we came from Osaka. We are now in Himeji. But look at this, that's Himeji Castle. So we're going to take a picture with this thing. And yeah, quite simple, really nice views. So far it looks really nice. We have some tonkatsu before we go to Himeji. Gohan. Taberu. I'm not kidding. This might be the best that I've ever had. That was honestly some of the best tonkatsu I have ever eaten in my life. Now we have our bellies full. I think it's time to go have a nap. I'm joking. Maybe coffee? Coffee ni ikimasu. Ikimasu yo. Ikimasu yo. So we're gonna go get some coffee and then head to Himeji. And we're like halfway there already, so ikimasu. In Japan, they love Terry's chocolate orange. So they have Terry's chocolate orange statue. And they have pictures of titties. But it's just up there. Mega zoom. So we've stopped off at this very interesting cafe. It looks like something from The Matrix. So we've finished now with coffee and we're on our way to Himeji. Himeji ikimasu. Nihongo benkyou shitemasu. I'm learning Japanese. But the time here, I feel like I'm getting a little bit better. But it's fun. It's fun trying to speak a language when you're in the country. And Japanese people seem very, very happy when you start to try and speak it. So it's a bit of encouragement. So if you guys ever come to Japan, try and speak it, because you'll have such a good experience. Like a much better experience than if you just turn up like a normal tourist and burger, this one. Don't do that. Come and try and then everyone will be really grateful, really nice. You'll still get stared at on the train, but it's all good. So that's across the road here and we're gonna walk up, but it looks massive. Like this is like the grounds as well over here and it stretches around. So let's have a look. I gotta watch my head. Oh my god. Wow. Whoa. This is so cool. So you can't really see it, and it is December, but these are cherry blossoms. I've seen cherry blossoms in Japan. That's so cool. Feels like I'm in Demon Slayer. I don't know how much you'll be able to hear, but we're at the top. This is amazing. You can see all the way down. It's incredible. By the way, if you come to these movie told me, don't step on this, you step over. And watch your head, because I almost smacked my head on this thing several times. So there's lemon trees, but we just came from here I didn't really record it, but it's absolutely breathtaking. It's so cool. If you ever come to Himeji, come here. Wow. Wow. Hey, MTV crib. Welcome to my crib. My name is Jeff. Sorry guys, it's kind of like no cinematics because I have no memory on my phone. There is no space on the camera because the camera's dying. So no cinematics. So it's not as pretty of a video, but I'm trying to show you regardless. Next video we'll try and make sure that we have taken everything off, because tomorrow we're going to Universal Studios. So we're going to Universal Studios. I haven't been since I was like 14 and that was in Florida, so Japan will be a bit different. We're going to go on the Mario Kart.